Among many winter flowers, salvia is an easy growing plant. We can purchase saplings from the plant nursery or we can grow it from seeds. Salvia can also be grown from cuttings, but success rate is not much. However, early December I bought some plant saplings and salvia has grown on its full bloom now. दोनों ही प्लांट्स में लाई थी, मुझे और भी कलर्स चाहिए था लेकिन मुझे नहीं मिले। जो भी हो, मेरे दोनों प्लांट्स हेल्दी हैं। बस आप ये जान लीजिए कि प्लांट्स अगर पेस्ट फ्री रखना है और हेल्दी रखना है तो क्या करें। हमारे यहाँ इन दिनों बहुत ही कोहरा है और 3 दिन से सनशाइन बिल्कुल नहीं है। इट सीम्स लाइक इट्स ड्रिजलिंग एंड यू विल गेट वेट अंडर ओपन स्काई. हार्डली एनीथिंग इज विजिबल while driving. Daytime temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and at night falls to 10 degrees Celsius. Perfect for winter flowers. But chrysanthemum and gazania needs sunshine during daytime. Salvia has a lot of colors: white, orange, pink, purple. You can grow them on any kind of soil. Use your normal garden soil and compost. Add 2 handful cow dung compost, 2 handful leaf compost. Follow some rules for growing salvia. Not only for salvia but for other winter flowers also. First, after you purchase the saplings from the market, keep the plant for 3 or 4 days in your garden. Don't transplant on that very day. Let the plant settle down and adjust itself. Second, prepare the soil beforehand and grow on a good pot or poly bag according to your garden city weather. If your city has warm climate, no harm for plastic pots, but high humid regions, avoid plastic pots for certain plants like gazania, impatient and gerbera. Third, I will suggest after you repot your plant, always keep 3 inches space from above so that later you can add compost or soil to your plant. Friends, stay tuned until end of video. We'll share you the other remaining tips. For salvia, don't panic much about root rot, but the thumb rule is during winters we don't need to water much. Better you water the plants on alternate days, but not in my case. I am watering my plants every after 3 days or when I find the leaves wilted. The dew drops at night keeps the plant fresh and healthy. For good growth and good flowers, add mixture of NPK, magnesium salt, DAP and single superphosphate in the ratio 1:1:1:1:1. That is NPK 1 part, magnesium 1 part, DAP 1 part, single superphosphate half part. Add all of them, make a mixture, only 1 spoon, not at the plant base but beside the wall of the pot, and yes, when the soil is moist, approximately moist to dry condition. Then add little water, not much. Add fertilizer after 16 days of plantation. Then after 7 days, spray neem oil mixed with soap water. Friends, let me tell you, don't wait for the pest attack. Always make your routine spray of neem oil or in any kind of insecticide every after 10 days or 12 days. Okay, now what will I do after the flower sheds off? You may or may not cut the stalk. You can let the inflorescence dry on the plant and collect the seeds for next season. But I will cut away the flower stalk for more bloom on this very plant. You know, I have another salvia which survived the whole year. So if your weather suits the plant, it can stay until next year. Now the fourth tip for growing healthy flowers. For most winter flowers, don't use your shower nozzle for watering. Water all your plants only to the soil. Avoid showering the whole plant. Fifth point to be noted is keep all plants under sunlight during the winter time except those regions which have temperature above 35 degrees Celsius. And lastly, would like to say you have to understand your plant and manage the water, sunlight, fertilizer of the plant according to its requirement. According to your geographic zone, the marigold have not yet full bloomed. Let them flower at their fullest. We'll share the grow and care tips. That's all for today, friends. Stay connected. Like, share, subscribe my channel. You can follow me on Insta and my Facebook page. Link will be attached on description. You can attach your plant pics on Insta. Will help you out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching until end. Bye bye. Have a nice day.